Have you ever gone into a store where the operator said they were having an issue with the fryer and there was error code, but it's gone away and they don't remember what it is? Well, I got a quick tip for you. I'll show you how to get into the control board where you can pull up the error code history and we'll learn a little bit about it. So to get into check our E-log, just remember the peace sign, the two outer buttons here, info and program. Press those. First thing that comes up is your error code log or E-log. You can use the down arrow here to scroll down. We can see our first error code come up as E20D, but as you can tell, it'll scroll across and tell you what it is, ignition error. So we had an error with ignition. If I scroll down one more, it's telling me I have an E15. Oh, that means that my drain was open at 8:04 a.m. I can actually press my timer button. It's going to tell me the temperature. And we can scroll through. Here's another error code, E10, high limit tripped, 747. Well, if I press and hold it on the timer button, it's telling me the temperature that it tripped out at. In this case, it looks like it may have been dry fired because that's just the ambient air temperature. So there's several error codes that you can get from the E-log to scroll down and cycle through. It's going to go with the most recent at the top, and then as you go down with it. Real simple, how you get out. You can peace out with the info program button, press and get out. And that's just a quick tip on how you can check error codes if your customer has forgotten what they were and get them taken care of.